welcome to LoveLiveSave. Are you getting your house ready and deep cleaned for the new year? Well, have no fear because I have some really awesome cheap couponing deals for you. These are $10 General cheap cleaning supplies couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, December 16th. And most of the deals in today's deal video are $10 or less out of pocket. So make sure you stay tuned. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post $2 General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, tonight's question is definitely a festive one, and I cannot wait to hear your response. I want you to leave a comment down below. I want to know, do you go out and stock up on Christmas decorations on clearance after the holidays is over? No joke, y'all. For the last, 4 or 5 years, I always tell myself the day after Christmas, I am finally going to go out and get me a new Christmas tree. My Christmas tree is getting close to being as sad as, the Charlie Brown Christmas tree. Like, it's so sad. And I think this year is finally, I know I say this every year, but I feel like this year is going to be finally the year I go out and replace it. Poor little Christmas tree. And if you could do me a quick favor, share this coupon deal video with all your friends and family members that want to learn how to coupon so I can get these coupon deals out to them and help them too, because helping people save money really does mean a lot to me, and I would appreciate the help. So let's get started with these deals. Now, first off, I have to say, I know I usually post $2 General coupon deal videos every day, and unfortunately tonight I'm only posting this one, albeit this is a really good one, because I had a really busy day. I got the idea on one of the social media platforms that people have been going and thrifting their Christmas gifts, and I went and y'all, I had so much fun. I found this awesome $60 block set for my son for only $6, and y'all know me, I am a couponer and I love me some good deals. So now I'm hooked. So I have been cleaning and disinfecting and then doing that on top of, the flu bug that finally came through my house last week. So, I've had my hands full, but I have some really fun stuff planned for the rest of the week. So stay tuned for that. So in this first couponing deal, grab one 43-ounce bottle of Clorox bleach. We don't have a coupon for it, but that's okay. Grab one Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit, 1 pack of Schick razors, and 1 Febreze Air Effects in the new apple cider seasonal scent. Now, after all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.60 plus tax for a 63% off savings. Not bad when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for that Clorox bleach, and that is $4 of this out of pocket. I am so excited for this next coupon deal because I have been wanting to stock up on my dishwasher pods. I had to pay full price for the last box. Y'all, I know, I did a couponing. No, I paid full price. I am so ashamed of myself. But I am going to finally, going into the new year, I'm going to start building up my stockpile again. It's something I've been wanting to do for a while. So in this next deal, grab 1 tub of Cascade Platinum dishwasher tablets. We don't have a coupon for it. Then grab 2 packs of Skintimate razors. And then finally 1 Airwick oil warmer. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.50 plus tax for a 56% off savings. Now, I have to tell you, I had something very interesting happen when I was writing these 10 couponing deals. I have written cleaning supply deals so many times over the last 3 years, and never have I ever had so many of the cleaning supply deals have such low out-of-pockets. I believe, if I remember correctly, only 2 of these deals are over $10, and some of them get pretty low. I was evil laughing the entire time I was writing these deals. I'm like, ooh, I feel so good. These are some awesome deals. So yeah, this is a good one. So grab one Mr. Clean Freak spray, a 5-count pack of the Airwick plug-in refills, one of the small bottles of Downy Rinse and Refresh. This is the bottle that is $6.95. And then finally, one Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.45 plus tax for a 67% off savings. You know, I just thought of something. With this being a Clean Supplies coupon deal, the one thing that I have been thinking about trying to do tonight is as you may know, I'm in the process of deep cleaning my house. This has been a project that's been going on for a while, but every year I get this done before the new year because I believe in starting with a fresh, clean slate. And I was thinking about doing a Clean With Me video where I record. You can see the entire hot mess express that is my house. So if you are interested in me doing some cleaning with me videos, maybe you can get some good cleaning inspiration, leave me a comment down below. Let me know that you'd like it. Say, yes, please. I'd love some cleaning videos. And it will give me a little bit of an idea of what kind of stuff I can post over the next couple weeks. So I am definitely thinking about doing this tonight. So here's a great deal that would be awesome for me to have for cleaning my house since those flu bugs were just here. Grab 2 35-count tubs of Lysol disinfecting wipes, 1 Lysol air sanitizer, 1 Lysol laundry sanitizer. This stuff smells amazing, by the way. And then 1 Colgate charcoal toothbrush. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.45 plus tax for a 63% off savings. Now, I may be wrong, but that is probably one of my lowest out of pockets that I have ever done for so many disinfecting products. And y'all know this stuff tends to be kind of expensive. So I am most definitely doing this deal on Saturday. If you are new to couponing, I know going to the store and risking coupons not coming off, things not ringing up correctly, it is scary. And I always try to tell y'all that if you are new to couponing, please start off with a basic couponing deal. Like this would be a super easy one. You just got to grab 2 items. There's nothing, I mean, unless, I'm not going to say nothing is going to happen because the app last week I hear was not having coupons come off. And please let me know down below in the comments if you were having issues with coupons coming off last Saturday, because I saw a lot of people having issues. I don't know why we keep having these issues on Saturday, by the way. End rant. So this next deal, super simple. Grab 2 Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits. Now I know at first glance, when you see the coupons over on the left-hand side, you're going to say, man, you can't use the same coupon twice. You're right, you can't. But we have 2 different coupons. They have 2 different expiration dates, which is why we can get 2 packs. Awesome opportunity to stock up. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9 even plus tax for a 65% off savings. Y'all, to say that I was shocked when I wrote this next couponing deal, I did not expect this out of pocket to get so low, considering that $14.50 alone is just that Swiffer Sweeper. And I actually am thinking about doing this deal because I want to stock up on some cleaning supplies. My son, I want to build a toddler cleaning kit, and I've heard that you can shorten the Swiffer Sweepers, and I thought that'd be really fun for him. So I think I might do this one. So grab one of those Swiffer Sweepers for $14.50, a small bag of Gain Flings, an Airwick oil warmer, and one I don't know why I was about to say Febreze, a 105-count box of Gain dryer sheets. I leave the blooper in, y'all. It is what it is. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10 even plus tax for a 64% off savings, which is amazing when you consider we got a Swiffer Sweeper in this deal. Y'all, the tongue twisters in these deal videos are real for me. Next up, I have a great deal if you want to stock up on laundry pods. This is definitely something that I'm personally getting pretty low in my stockpile, and we can't have that. So grab 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, 1 small bag of Gain Flings, a small bag of regular Tide Pods, an Airwick oil warmer, and finally 1 bag of the Vicks VapoCool drops. And y'all, I can't begin to tell you enough that this is such a great filler item, these Vicks VapoCool drops, especially going into the cold and flu and cootie season. Such an awesome filler item to have on hand to make your life a little bit easier when it does. Because, you know it's going to happen. After all coupons, our Tolav pocket comes down to just $8.45 plus tax for a 68% off savings. And here's another deal for the Tide Pods, because we have so many good Tide Pods coupons this week. Y'all know I love me some Tide Pods coupons. So grab one small bag of Tide Pods, one pack of Skintimate razors, one 35-count tub of Lysol disinfecting wipes, and then finally one bag of Tide Power Pods. After all coupons, our Tolav pocket comes down to just $10.20 plus tax for a pretty awesome 60% off savings. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, only 2 of these these deals were over $10, and I believe this was the second one. So, whew, it's going to be a good week, y'all. Moving on. This deal, of course, I had to work in a gain couponing deal because we have that 5 off of 20 gain coupon. Plus, this is a good example of you got to make sure you check the Dollar General app for new coupons on days other than just Sundays, because yesterday, what was that? Today's Tuesday. Yeah, yesterday I logged on the Dollar General app, and to my surprise, we got a $2 off Gain Fireworks coupon that works off the small bottle, y'all. That is almost half off. Awesome coupon. So let's see what kind of magic we can work with. Grab one small bottle of Gain Fireworks, a small bag of Gain Flings, a small Gain Fabric Softener, 105-count box of Gain Dryer Sheets, one bottle of Gain Dish Soap. We don't have a coupon for it, but that's okay. Grab a small bag of Tide Pods, and finally, one can of the Febreze Air Effects in the apple cider scent. After all coupons, our Tolav pocket comes down to just $8.25 plus tax for a 72% off savings. Y'all, we gotta talk about this. We have a 72% off savings. We're only paying $8.25 plus tax for almost $30 worth of goods. I'm telling you, this is a really good gain deal. Okay, y'all, this next coupon deal kind of addresses the elephant in the room that I have just not been addressing over the last couple of weeks/months. I have never, ever worked a coupon deal into my deal videos that has this new cashback. Honestly, I didn't have a whole lot of faith in it. I thought it was going to crash and burn, like, you know, the DG store pickup that obviously did. In case you didn't know, they stopped doing that. But I love this cashback offer, so I'm like, let's see what happens. So grab one of these 70-ounce size bottles of Palmolive dish soap, one Colgate charcoal toothbrush, 3 of those small bottles of Gain Fireworks. This is the $4.50 size bottle. And then finally, one Airwick oil warmer. Now, after all coupons, our Tolav pocket comes down to just $9.35 plus tax for a 65% off savings. Now, I have a question. If you have ever done coupon deals at Dollar General and you have done the cash back, I would love hearing your feedback on how it worked, how quick it was, did you have any issues? Because honestly, I have never tried to do it myself. I know you can't stack coupons with it, which obviously we didn't do with this coupon deal because we don't have any coupons for the Palmolive this week, but I would really, really appreciate hearing your feedback on this because I've been tempted to try it. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. Now, if you're still looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I always try to have the information in both places to make it a little bit easier to find for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list every week, amongst other awesome couponing goodies, because I often write so many more Dollar General couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this list list usually has anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. Now, this deals list is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section of deals you want, because I keep all the categories of couponing deals separated, and these are all major categories of things that you like to coupon and save for your family. We're talking gain deals, of course, because it's Dollar General and we love our gain deals, right? But there's also toilet paper deals and paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care products, Tide deals, diaper deals, cheap out-of-pockets deals list, and I even started recently including an essential items couponing deals list full of items that you never want to run out of for your family ever again. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. You cannot beat a 1-week free trial. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.